Hi, today we're going to be working on the game page for Irwin Family Helps Animals. If you do not have this page, then you'll probably be working on the puzzle page, which is the other video. So we're going to be selecting icons of words that we found in our article or that our article mentioned. So we'll start with koala. Did we talk about koalas in our article? Or were koalas are considered wild animals? Hint, hint. Did we talk about koalas?
Koala.
Yeah, we talked about koalas was in our article because koalas are from Australia. That's where you find the most koalas. I'm not sure you can find koalas anywhere else, at least not in their natural habitat. You might see them in the zoo. Our next word is dictionary. So dictionary is a book where we look up words when we're trying to learn what they mean. Is dictionary a word that we read about this week? No. Dictionary is not a word.
Dictionary.
What about help? Did we talk about help this week?
Help.
Yeah, Irwin Family helps animals. They are helping them by bringing them to the zoo and taking care of them. The other word is wilderness. Is wilderness the word that we hear in the article?
Wilderness.
Yeah, wilderness is where the animals are living, and it's also where the wildfire happened in Australia, which is actually our next word, wildfire. So I'll just tell you, yes, wildfire is from our article.
Wildfire.
And wildfire is one of our words this week, and it's basically where there's a large fire in the wilderness, such as a forest. Spreads very quickly. Next word is hurt. Hurt. Is hurt a word that we recognize?
Hurt.
Yeah, the animals were hurt from the wildfire, which is why the Irwin family wanted to help them. Plant. Plant. Is plant a word?
Plant.
No, we didn't talk about plants in this one. We focus more on animals. What about family?
Family.
Yeah, family is also one of our vocabulary words. Family is people who are related to each other, like your mom, dad, uncle, aunt, grandma, grandpa, brothers, sisters, uncles, aunts. Those are all part of your family. Sewing machine. Is sewing machine a word that we talked about?
Sewing machine.
No, we didn't talk about sewing machine. What about wild animals? Does that sound familiar?
Wild animals.
Yeah, wild animals is one of our vocabulary words. They're animals that live in the wild. Here they're specifically talking about animals from Australia, like koalas, bilbies, and raccoons. Not raccoons, kangaroos. Our next one is Australia. Is Australia a word that we talked about this week?
Australia.
Yeah, Australia is the country where the Irwin family is from. Our next word is kangaroo. The animal's name is kangaroo. Is kangaroo one of our words?
Kangaroo.
Yeah, kangaroo is one of our words. It is an animal that lives in Australia. Zookeeper. Did we talk about zookeepers?
Zookeeper.
Yeah, zookeeper are people that work at the zoo that help the animals, take care of the animals. Zoo. Is zoo one of our words?
Zoo.
Yeah, the Irwin family helps the animals by bringing them to the zoo. They own the Australia Zoo. Medicine. Is medicine a word we talked about?
Medicine.
Yeah, and some of the animals need medicine to help them feel better. And our last word is tornado. Did we talk about tornado?
Tornado.
No, it was not a tornado that they needed saving from. It was the wildfire. So to review, the words are koala, help, wilderness, wildfire, hurt, family, wild animals, Australia, kangaroo, zookeeper, zoo, and medicine. And remember, you can also use your AAC to look for some of these words for practice. It'll be good.